In the hidden scrolls of the Moon Clan, it is written that no royal ancient god had ever faced the convergence of blood and moonlight that now engulfs the star domain. The void has vanished, replaced by a silken sea of silver and crimson, where Tuo Sen's arrogance clashes with Wang Lin's unyielding defiance. Even the heavens seem to pause as the god-sealing formation awakens, resurrecting the dead and drawing forth the ferocity of countless Moon Clan souls. Every strike, every pulse of moonlight, hums with the promise of ruin or of awakening. This is the moment where fear, power, and fate collide. Renegade Immortal Chapter 13:13, Chapter 13:14, and nothing will emerge unscarred from the tempest that follows. Do you truly believe Tuo Sen has perished? Can a soul as formidable as his be extinguished so easily? The question tore through the void like a jagged bolt of lightning, striking Tuo Sen's mind where it hurt most. Pride had always been his armor, arrogance his shield. He feared nothing, not even the heavens themselves. Yet one name made his blood run cold, Tuo Sen. For countless years, Tuo Sen had inhabited Tuo Sen's body, wielding it as his own, and yet deep within an unshakable terror lingered. Was Tuo Sen truly gone, or was this merely an illusion of death, a shadow waiting to reclaim life? The thought alone sent tremors through his spirit. Wang Lin's voice rang out, resonant and unyielding, a clarion of defiance. If you wish to devour me, come forth. The moment I fall, Tuo Sen will awaken, and when he does, your doom will be sealed. The words rippled across the void, leaving Tuo Sen frozen. The 6 stars orbiting his essence halted mid-rotation, a rare flicker of hesitation in a being who rarely faltered. Before Tuo Sen could reconcile his terror, the Moon Clan stirred. A deep, mournful howl shattered the calm, and an immense aura, like a raging storm, erupted from every corner of their domain. Shadows emerged in the desolate expanse, figures etched with crescent moon marks upon their brows. Over 100,000 Moon Clan warriors had gathered, meticulously positioned across hundreds of cultivation planets, each placement precise to form the legendary god-sealing formation, a formation wrought to imprison gods themselves. The ancients had long spoken of such power. This was no mere spell, it was a ritual of unimaginable scale. The void itself seemed to vanish, replaced by a sea of pure white silvery moonlight. From the heavens above, a colossal crescent moon emerged, casting its ethereal glow upon every inch of the domain. Moon Clan elders perched upon their cultivation planets, channeling every ounce of their essence to amplify the celestial radiance. The allure was irresistible. A living royal ancient god trapped at their mercy. It was the dream of generations, the promise of power beyond reckoning. When Tuo Sen first arrived, they had waited with a mix of fear and longing, their formation lying dormant for over a decade. Now, at last, their moment had come. Not one, but 2 royal ancient gods were within their grasp. The world warped under the formation's power. Moonlight twisted and shimmered like flowing silk, enshrouding Tuo Sen and Wang Lin alike. His anger flared, yet even the 6 stars he wielded recoiled, returning to him without striking Wang Lin. With a roar, Tuo Sen's arm smashed outward, shaking the moonlight, but it only wound tighter, binding him like threads of divine silk. Gentle moon slaughter, kill the ancient god's body. The ancient command thundered, and the moonlight responded, slicing and entwining, relentless in its assault. Silk sharpened into countless blades, each one striking with precision, multiplying as Tuo Sen tore through them. But the Moon Clan was tireless. The formation called upon its treasures, the god-extinguishing fan rising from the lunar light. A 1,000-foot expanse of silvery steel, it waved with merciless force, hurling storms of radiant moonlight at Tuo Sen and Wang Lin. Wang Lin's bloodsword whirled in a protective vortex, cleaving through the silk, yet the onslaught was ceaseless. The moonlight storm struck with the weight of the heaven-splitting axe itself, piercing flesh and spirit alike. Tuo Sen's fury erupted, the rage of a god scorned, but the more he shattered, the more the formation rebuilt. Silk and moonlight twisted endlessly, consuming the world in a lattice of radiant threads. The formation demanded sacrifice. Over 10,000 Moon Clan warriors fell, their bodies bursting under the strain, yet their crescent marks, their souls, were woven into the ceiling. Madness and devotion echoed in the ancient voice. Use my clan's blood to raise the god's spirit. Use my clan's souls to crush it. 10,000 souls swelled into moons, converging on Tuo Sen and Wang Lin, filling the world with their divine radiance. The battle escalated. The first wave of blood moon wings emerged, formed from the lives and sacrifices of the Moon Clan, followed by wave upon wave, spilling blood and essence into the celestial formation. Two colossal blood-colored wings unfurled, aiming with terrifying precision at Wang Lin and Tuo Sen. The Moon Clan's ingenuity continued. A figure in black materialized outside the formation, greed and ambition etched into every line of his face. "Ancient gods' 9 bones," he bellowed. 9 gargantuan skulls, their hollow eyes glowing with divine might, and crescent seals hurled through the void, charging toward the two combatants. The ground itself trembled with the weight of their power. Even this was not enough. God-decaying liquid. The white-haired elder hissed, spitting black blood that stank of ancient corruption. Cultivators across the formation followed suit, their own blackened essence coalescing into a sentient sea of blood, swirling with malignant intelligence, surging into the moonlight world to join the relentless assault. Tuo Sen and Wang Lin stood at the center of this celestial maelstrom, battered yet unbowed. Around them, silk and moonlight, blood and bone, converged with divine ferocity. The Moon Clan's centuries of preparation had reached their apotheosis. Yet 2 indomitable forces remained, ready to test their limits against the very heavens themselves. In the shrouded embrace of moonlight, a storm of ancient power was about to erupt, a storm forged over countless years, yet aimed at one living target. Legends whispered of the Moon Clan, a sect whose schemes and cunning rivaled the gods themselves. And tonight, their greatest designs would be unleashed. Great Moon God's slaying spell, blood moon wings, ancient god's 9 bones, god-decaying liquid, each artifact a relic of unparalleled power, each one forged to ensnare a being whose very existence defied the heavens. These were not mere weapons. They were the culmination of centuries of obsession, the Moon Clan's answer to the ancient gods, devils, and demons. They had thought of every trap, every snare, every arcane secret, and now all their preparation converged upon a single battleground. Tuo Sen's roar pierced the night, rolling like thunder across the silvered sky. Crescent moons swirled around him, closing in with lethal grace, yet with a furious sweep of his arms, he shattered them. Thunder reverberated as each moon collapsed into fragments. The blood moon wings descended next, a deadly storm of crimson feathers, yet Tuo Sen met them with a single, earth-shattering strike. Still, the feathers splintered and pierced his flesh, 1,000 tiny daggers drawing blood with precision. And then came the ancient gods' skulls, remnants of titans long dead, each one radiating a sun-like energy. They plunged toward Tuo Sen, howling with the power of aeons. Wang Lin's face darkened as the blood sword spun around him, his hands weaving spell after spell to counter the relentless crescent moons. The blood moon wings streaked past him, leaving trails of steel-sharp feathers that tore through his body. The silk threads of the moonlight coiled around him, restraining, suffocating, yet he remained standing amidst the carnage. The 9 ancient god skulls converged upon Tuo Sen, their combined might shaking the very heavens. He coughed up blood under the force, eyes blazing with ferocity. Every ounce of Moon Clan's accumulated power had been brought forth in this moment, treasures of legend designed to subdue a god. And the god-decaying liquid, the Moon Clan's secret heritage, surged next. Its origins were unknown even to its wielders, yet it had once slain an ancient god. Now, it roiled into a blood vortex, swallowing Wang Lin and Tuo Sen in its malefic embrace, threatening to dissolve their powers and gnaw at their very essence. Tuo Sen's face hardened. But the Moon Clan's arsenal was far from exhausted. "Summon the Moon Clan's treasure." "Ancient god eyes," roared the old man, his voice slicing the night. Twin crimson orbs manifested, dripping with the scent of death, locking their gaze onto the 2 ancient beings. "Giant spirit bell." A colossal bell materialized, its toll resonating through the formation, shaking the ground and mind alike. "9th extinction spirit." The old man's seal unleashed a ghastly green phantom, its form blurred, yet its aura unmistakably that of an ancient god. Even Tuo Sen's pupils constricted in recognition. Each weapon, each treasure, was crafted with a singular purpose, the annihilation of ancient gods. Against mortal cultivators, their potency was restrained. Against the divine, they were absolute. Tuo Sen roared again, expelling the blood from his lungs, and with a surge of might, the sea of god-decaying blood recoiled. He turned toward Wang Lin, no hesitation in his eyes. 6 stars flared across his body, converging toward the younger god. Once I consume you and fuse with your essence, this seal will break, and the Moon Clan will drown in blood, he bellowed. Wang Lin, unflinching, met the assault with a calculated smile. I carry Tuo Sen's memory inheritance. If you devour me, our powers will merge, and Tuo Sen will awaken. Try if you dare. His words struck Tuo Sen's weak point, igniting both rage and uncertainty. The tension thickened. The moonlight silk coiled tighter, the treasures descended, and the blood vortex swirled hungrily. The 2 ancient gods faced the Moon Clan's onslaught, a silent accord forming amidst the chaos. Wang Lin's hands danced in ancient seals, his voice chanting in the tongue of primordial deities. When the world was born, the ancient order split into 3. The first were the ancient gods. They defied the heavens, ravaged creation, and broke the world. 8-star ancient god spell, Void. His 6 stars spun violently, a luminous maelstrom of primordial energy. The Moon Clan treasures converged, yet a deformed rune appeared before Wang Lin's hands, incomplete but teeming with destructive power. It was Void, the primordial power of the gods capable of unmaking heaven itself. With a roar, he called upon Tuo Sen. Ancient god power. The Elder's 6 stars whirled, merging with the rune until it solidified, radiating an aura unseen for countless years. The grey light burst forth, neither black nor white, engulfing the battlefield. The god-decaying blood recoiled. The ancient god eyes shattered, and the green phantom faltered, its corrupted essence insufficient against true ancient god might. Moonlight silk threads snapped, formation lines ruptured, and a new power surged. Summon the Moon Clan's first treasure, ancient god remnant bone. The old man's scream echoed, tearing open a spatial rift. From it, a finger as vast as half a cultivation world emerged, bare bone, devoid of flesh, a relic of a 9-star ancient god. Destroy God! The Moon Clan's 100,000 cultivators roared in unison, an ear-splitting wave of hatred and ambition cascading across the void. Tuo Sen's eyes widened as the relic descended. Thunder rumbled, blood spewed, and he was hurled across the moonlit world. Wang Lin's body convulsed as bones shattered under the impact, yet he did not falter. Black fog swirled around him as he activated the devouring spell, charging into the formation with devastating precision. Screams echoed. Moon Clan cultivators withered into skeletal remnants, and the battlefield became a crucible of death and divine fury. Far beyond, Tuo Sen roared again, gathering his strength for a counterstrike. The clash of ancient gods and centuries-old vengeance resounding through the night. The legends of the Moon Clan and the wrath of the ancient gods converged, and the moonlight world trembled beneath the weight of their battle.